Just one quick flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With a seafront promenade, you've got the perfect setting for an evening stroll. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. A banana boat is sure to satisfy anyone's need for speed, or explore the waters on a pedalo. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us, with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.